Hi, it's Miss Todoric, and I just found out about this video contest. It is February 16th. I know submissions are due real soon, next month. So let's take a look. Let's read more into it, and maybe it kind of relates to my social media class. I think maybe I can present this to the students in that class, see if we're interested in competing. All right, so they're calling all New York high school students and teachers. So let's click here to learn more. I've never heard of this organization. It's my first time, but this is called WISE, Working in Support of Education. I'm a strong advocate for financial literacy. Absolutely. So this is definitely, I am interested. I don't know the cash prizes just yet, but I am hoping my students are interested as well. And if they're not, I'll just reach out to my YouTubers, and I'm pretty sure if there's money, let's take a look. Yep, first place is $2,500. So I know I definitely have my YouTubers interested. All right, so let's take a look. Calling on New York State high school teachers and students. Create a video about one of the following financial literacy topics. All right, so it looks like we got three choices. The first one is make three financial promises to your future self and show how you will keep those promises. That's easy, right? I could do that. That's very personal. Okay, number two, pretend you're a personal finance high school teacher. Create a convincing lesson about one of the following. Okay, so a little bit more work as a student, obviously as a teacher, easy. Maintaining a budget, the good and bad of credit, needs versus wants, or investing wisely. So that's the second video topic. And then the third video topic, savings and investing are important to your financial goals. Create a video that explains the benefits and risks of both. Good topics. I love it. I think we can do, let's see how many videos we can submit. All right, so here's some important information. High schools must be located in New York State. Check. Videos should be between 45 seconds and 2 minutes. Check. The contest will open up on January 22nd and close March 21st. So we are off for a week. By the time we get back, we're looking at February 24th. And then we got some time. We got a couple weeks. And then March 21st is that Friday. So we have time to compete in this. Students are encouraged to utilize social media filters, effects, and current trends in their videos. Please don't use copyrighted music. Videos can only be submitted to WISE by teachers on behalf of their students. I can do that. Students should provide their teachers with the URL link, TikTok. So you can create a TikTok and submit it, Instagram Reel, YouTube Short. That's easy. Please use the official contest hashtag. So hashtag WISE Financial Lit. So even though it's open to only high school students and teachers in New York, I would do this for fun. If you are watching this and if you're in another state, I would just do this for fun. Hopefully, maybe in the future, they can expand this to other states or even other countries. So hashtag WISE Financial Lit, WISE FINLIT. So that would be awesome. Teachers, contestants, and participants must accept the contest rules. We'll take a look at that. And then obviously, if you are under the age of 18, there's consent forms that need to get filled out. All right, so student prizes. First place, 2,500. Second place, 1,500. Third is 1,000. Fourth place, 750. Fifth place, 500. There's a special category. Oh, I like that. A storyteller. I got a lot of stories. That's for $1,000. Teacher prizes. First place, 1,000. Oh, we're definitely having a classroom party if I win. Pizza party, everyone. 750 is second place. Third is 500. Fourth place is 250. Fifth place, 150. And then there's a special category prize for the best storyteller, 500. All right, so let's take a look at the contest rules. So this is a nonprofit organization improving the lives of young people through programs that develop financial literacy and readiness for college and career. Sounds good. Video contest. We got that. One of the prompts. All right. Special award, best storyteller. Deadline, March 21st, Eastern Time, 11:59 p.m. Okay. Entries. Teachers need to secure, yes, consent. If they are under the age of 18, we got that. Teachers may submit an unlimited number of entries from their school. That is awesome. Perfect. Usually contests with like one entry. Okay, so that's amazing. However, each contestant may submit one entry only. Each entry must be submitted by one contestant only. No team entries. I got you. All right, here are the binding agreement, these rules. Let's take a look. We have to consent. These are just those forms, contest rules. This is like the consent form. They are allowed to share or repost videos on their website and social media channels. Videos can be drama, animation, musical, documentary, or comedy. Must be in English. Automatically disqualified if it's in any other language or if it's below that 45-second or if it goes over 3 minutes. Okay, sounds good here. We can submit it on that link. Let's see what else. They own the rights to the entry, including the video or digital recording and the performances and any music or other creative work contained. All right, so if we're going, anything else we need to know? They're just going more down. Judging. After the closing date, all entries will be evaluated and judged by a panel of judges selected by WISE, this organization. There is a rubric developed by them. I don't see any rubric on the website or in the rules just yet, but we'll keep browsing. The winning videos will be announced in April. Oh, that's a fast turnaround. I like that. So April. And then it says the prizes. We already went over that, which is nice. All right, the special category prize will be awarded to whichever video that addresses one of the 3 personal finance prompts earns the best storyteller title. Contestants should not submit an additional video for the special category prize. Not eligible for prizes. Okay. Signed agreements. And that's pretty much it. All right, so those were the rules. Let's go back. You can donate. Okay, let's see. Donate, you can volunteer. Here's just, I think I did everything on the video contest. So I didn't see, you can probably follow them on Facebook. They have Twitter, they have YouTube. Let's take a look at their YouTube. I like to see like old videos if they've done this last year. Video contest, these are prompts. I don't know if these are like the winning. Where are the winning ones from last year? Videos. All right, they have 155. It's kind of small. 155 subscribers. Let's subscribe, you guys. 68. They have a, I don't know where the winners. Let's go back to the other homepage. So that's their YouTube. You guys can check them out. Let me go back on other social media platforms. I'm looking for, let's see, if you guys find last year's video, like the winners, please jot that link in the comments so we can take a look of our competition. It's always good to see those videos that won last year before we even start to compete. All right, let's go. Programs and services, news and events. blog, get involved, host an intern, promote a program, donate, volunteer, contact, shop. All right, it looks like, yeah, I think that's it. What is this? Financial Ambassador Award winners announced. View all. Let's go last year's. $5K. They do a lot of, oh, right here. This is Wise announces winners of New York City High School Financial Literacy Video Contest. All right, let's look at this one. To view the winning video, click here. All right, we're getting there. I don't know what contest, if this was the same, but I just found something. So this is High School of Art and Design, win by say.
Come on, bro.
Why?
Stop.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Just one more. What is this? Why can't I win? Why is it so unfair? No. Come on. I just need more money. Please. No.
All right, so that was pretty cool. I like that. It looks like it was unlisted, obviously. Let's subscribe. So that is the winner. Maybe one of the many winners. Let's take a look at his channel. Pretty cool. All right, let's go back to this competition. Oops, I just went to my real estate class. Got too many tabs open. All right, where's the homepage? Oh, I'm on it. Here we are. All right, so it looks like I'm going to do it. I think I'm going to do it. I think I'll make some time for it. And hopefully I'll present this to my students in social media. If you guys are watching this, I want you guys to think about this over the week. I'll post this in the Google Classroom, come up with ideas. We got a week to think about this. If you are a student YouTuber and if you want to do this like after school or on my lunch break, reach out, let me know, and let's make this happen. All right, guys. And if you're just a fan watching our channel, come stay tuned. You'll see our financial literacy video submissions. And I would do it for fun, and hashtag them. And hopefully they can expand this competition next year to more states. Thanks for watching. Once again, thanks for being a member. And we'll see you next time. Bye.